everyone, I'm M.Yogadharani, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering at SNS College of Engineering. Today I'm going to explain about interfaces with groups concepts in Java. So what does interface? Interface is a keyword which is used to achieve full abstraction. Using interface, we can specify that the class must do but not how it does. Interfaces are syntactically similar to classes, but they lack instant variable and their methods are declared without body. And then definition of interface is a collection of method definitions without implementations and constant values. It is a blueprint of a class. It has a static, constants and abstract methods. Why use interface? There are mainly three reasons to use interfaces are given below. It is used to achieve fully abstraction. As I already told in future of groups, abstraction is it shows only the essential data and hides the remaining part of the process. But by interface, we can support the functionality of multiple inheritance. It can be used to achieve loose coupling, writing flexible and maintainable code, declaring methods that one or more classes are expected to implement. An interface is similar to a class in the following ways. An interface can contain any number of methods. An interface is determined in a Java with the .java extension with the name of the interface matching the name of the file. The bytecode of an interface appears in a .class file. Interfaces appears in a packages and their corresponding bytecode file must be in a directory structure that matches the package's name. What are the rules to be followed in interfaces are: if a class implements an interface, then it must provide implementation for all the methods defined within that interface. And then a class can implement more than one interfaces by separating the interface names with a comma. And third rule is a class can extend only one class but implement many interfaces. And fourth rule is that an interface can extend another interface similarly to the way that a class can extend another class. And the fifth rule for interface is if a class does not perform all the behaviors of the interface, the class must declare itself as a abstract. And the rules for interface as a member variable is can be only public or by default or static and always static, by default or final and always final. And the rules for the method as an interface is can be only public or by default, cannot be static, and methods cannot be a final. So here are the difference between classes and interfaces. In class, the class is denoted by a class keyword. In interface, the interface is denoted by a keyword interface. In class contain data members and methods, but the methods are defined in the class implementation. Thus, class contain an executable code. In interface, it contains data members and methods, but the methods are not defined. The interface serves as an outline for the class. In class, by creating an instance of a class, the class members can be accessed. In interface, we cannot create instance of an interface. In class, can use various access specifiers like public, private, and protected. In interface makes use only of a public access specifier. In class, the member of a class can be a constant or final. The member of in interface, the member of interface are always declared as final. And difference between abstract class and interface. In abstract class, multiple inheritance is not possible. The class may inherit only one abstract class. In interface, multiple inheritance is possible. The class can implement more than one interface. In abstract class, members of abstract class can have any access modifiers such as public, private, or protected. Members of interface are public by default. In abstract class, the method in abstract class may be abstract method or a concrete method. In interface, the method interface are abstract by default. In abstract class, the method in abstract class may or may not have implementation, but in interface have no implementation at all. Only declaration of the method is given. In abstract class, Java is extending using the keyword extends. In interface, can be implemented by using the keyword implements. The member variable of abstract class can be non-final. In interface, member variable or a final by default. In abstract class can have a constructors, but in interface do not have any constructors. In abstract class, only abstract methods need to be overridden. Or in interface, all the methods of an interface must be overridden. In abstract class, non-abstract methods can be a static. In interface, methods cannot be static. Example for abstract class as access with public abstract class shape, then public abstract void draw. Example for interface as public interface drawable within a braces void draw function. Thank you.